In this tutorial, you'll learn how to diagnose and troubleshoot Canva's slow loading by checking your internet connection and browser settings. First, switch to a browser tab and select the search bar to prepare for an internet speed test. This will help determine if slow speeds are affecting Canva's performance. Next, enter your test query into the search field and click on the speed test link to check your internet speed. This will confirm if your connection is sufficient for Canva. If your speed is sufficient, open the Settings tab and select the U and Google option to review browser settings that could impact site loading. Next, select the Browsing History, Cookies, and Cache Images and Files options. Then, click the Delete Data button that may resolve Canva loading issues. Now, Canva should no longer experience slow loading issues. You've learned key steps to speed up Canva. Good luck improving your experience.